So hi guys, I'm not good at this, so I will just try my best. His sandal kitten Coco. And so I'm going to show you how to draw a cute kitten face. So just
That's it.
Start with an oval. Wait, let me erase it. I can actually stop.
Okay.
I can actually now flip it to the ball. Hey, get off.
Wait, so we have to probably delete this.
This is just out there that I know it don't look good, but draw like these, and then do it like that.
Okay.
And then get off of me, Coco.
Stop! I'm not gonna film this video if you do this.
Stop. And then that's that. And then you actually don't want to draw it like you want to draw it like this. It's saying Coco, go, be gone.
Oh.
And then do it like that.
Right, it's cute, guys.
And then do like a eel, but it's curved like that. That's our sister was being rude.
Yep. Sorry for all the mess.
Yeah, because she bought Coco over here. Now she's shoving me. Now she's like, what's
Oh well, sorry that he's being super loud.
Go.
Go. Wait. So
Why?
see that damage squirrel like that.
Yeah, she's damaged. Do it like that, and then there you go.
Write the name.
I
Write the real name.
Draw our Coco.
Her
Our
name.
Coco, and let me sign this.
We make her, it's COCO, but me and Rachel and Benjamin, Hanny, Benny and Way. We
And then there you go. I'm not gonna write my last name.
we make
And
it
let me do 2020.
COCO.
20. So bye guys.